Hi there guys, in today's video of VinylCut, we'll be looking at the canned effect. Let's just have a quick intro here. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We have a variety of different softwares we do cover there, and also we upload videos daily, so just keep an eye there for any new content. Otherwise, if we head back in the program here, now the canned effect, this is a nice effect if you want to make something look like it's wrapped around a cylinder. So to locate it, let's select our shape. You can either click on it or drag a selection box over it. Then we want to go to our top menu, go to effects, and then we go down till we find canned. We open this and now we have a few options here from its pop-up menu. Now as you can see, I don't know if you can, there's a fine line here representing the kind of shape, the angle and that of the cylinder. So then under its settings we have two settings here. We've got the angle and diameter here. So the angle, let's just quickly let's start with the angle. Now if we adjust this to the positive, you'll see this is kind of the angle of the can. I don't know if you can see nicely there how it changes on the canvas or the mat. So if you wanted to look at the can more from the top down, and then the diameter, kind of how large the can is. So you can see now it's not wrapping a lot, and then as you go smaller, you'll sort of at the edges and start wrapping it more and more around the can until eventually you're making a full little sphere, or rather cylinder circle, which is a very interesting effect that you can wrap it right around. But in any case, so that's kind of the you can say the size, or the the size of the actual can, or the width. And then so that is the basics on the can feature. Could be quite a fun one to play around, but just make sure your auto preview is enabled here, otherwise you will not see live updates. But so if we go to vinylcut.co.za, the program is freely available there. Just navigate to downloads and then you'll find it for Windows and Mac currently. Otherwise, if you guys go to softwaretraining.co.za, you can find this video and more like it. Like I mentioned, we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you're able to isolate your search here if you're looking for anything specific. And then if you don't find what you're looking for, just go here to request the training video, and then we'll make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.